We're here for OB Main Street Moments at Dog Beach Dog Wash.
Yeah.
And they're located at
4933 Voltaire Street. And I'm going to talk real quick because we got a plane coming to us. But if you didn't know, Jane has retired. And so we're going to go inside right now and meet Lee,
the new
one
owner.
of the new owners.
One of the new owners, yeah.
So hey, let's go in and check it out and see what Lee can tell us about owning a new dog washing store. And much, much more. As we come in, we actually have a full house right now. Everybody's washing their dogs, and they're all looking all spruced up. And but hey, come around here. And this is Lee. Hey Lee, how are you?
Good. How are you guys? Welcome.
Good, welcome. So as we're outside, we're just saying, Jane retired, and you're now the new owner. So tell us a little bit about maybe how you got started in the dog business, or
Yeah, we kind of fell into it. Actually, there are three of us who are owners, and I'm the managing partner for the three of us, and then there's my spouse and my best friend who have been here in San Diego. So years ago, she walked through the door here and handed her card to Jane and said, "Hey, if you ever want to sell, look me up."
Wow.
And
Is that how it actually happened?
It is.
Oh my
that
gosh.
is amazing. I know.
So
Who keeps the
years
cards
later,
that long?
Jane, if you ever saw her bulletin board back in the
Yeah.
office, it's
She had
Jane.
cards.
She's got it. So sure enough, beginning of the year, we started talking about doing this, and by May 13th, we closed escrow and took over.
All right. Congratulations. No, it's not, you know what, because when someone goes to retire, you always think the business is going to shut down. They may not stay around. But, OB Dog Wash is so close to OB Dog Beach, obviously, that, for those who may have never been here, it is literally less than a mile away.
Yeah.
And, yeah, exactly. And you know what? You can come in and buy a ton of accessories for your dog, leashes, food, all sorts of great things. If you forget something, you're at Dog Beach. Is that fair to say?
That's totally fair to say. We get a lot of people who buy the floating toys, but we have people that come in for, some emergency dog food or just an extra little treat or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
To keep their dog
It
happy.
looks like you got a full line of like flea stuff and all sorts of
We do,
different
yeah.
stuff out
We have
there.
all the flea stuff, and then we've got the CBD that's, really kind of hot right now,
Yeah.
and everyone really likes it for dogs as well.
Yeah, so it's not just a dog wash.
Not
It's like a full-on, full-service dog wash.
Yeah.
And actually, I just got my dog's nails trimmed here, which is amazing.
I don't know if they'll let you go down there.
Bailey, that did a great job.
Bailey's one of the best.
Check out those nails.
Got short nails now, yay!
Just before the weekend, too.
Right? Just ready for the weekend.
There you go. So tell us a funny story or something that's happened that you didn't know about, or something that kind of shocked you, maybe watching dogs being washed or anything.
Gosh, something that shocked me. I mean,
Besides owning a new business.
it seems, that's been a big shock owning a new business, but it's amazing the things that you see. We have John Caboose, the ladder truck guy.
Okay.
He's a faithful customer. He comes in here, and so when I came in one day and he was here, he ran out, he got his shark fins, and he put them on the dog so that I could see his lab models.
Oh, that's awesome.
Have you seen that?
Yeah, no, I saw it. I think, matter of
hilarious.
fact, I think they had at OB Street Fair this year.
Oh,
They
yes,
had those
that's
for sale,
right.
Yeah.
They did.
There, so we see a lot of characters.
Real quick. Keep doing it. You're on camera now. So real quick, how was the experience here for you?
This was amazing. This is my first dog wash. And we were at the beach and then we came here and bathed here before we went home.
Awesome,
She doesn't
cool.
even like water,
And she
right?
hates water.
Yeah.
And that's Rainbow, right?
This is Rainbow.
Rainbow's
She
clean
did a
now.
great job.
Yes.
Look at her. There you go.
Hi,
Rainbow.
Look at that.
This is how. So Lee, tell us your hours here. When can people come get their dogs washed and buy your product?
We're open from 8 to 8 every day, Monday through Sunday. That will change a little bit, obviously, holidays and that stuff comes around, but 8 o'clock to 8 o'clock. We try to have a nail trim person here from 9 in the morning through 8 p.m., but we're having some staff issues right now, and so that might start to vary a little bit. But the best thing to do is to go to our Facebook page and we'll keep people abreast of hours there, or just call ahead and make sure that
Cool.
there's going to be someone.
Tell us about Facebook. Tell us, you had something new on Facebook, right?
Yeah, so just this weekend, we actually launched a group that anyone can join. It's not exclusive, but you do have to request to join, called Friends of Dog Beach. The previous owners were so invested in the beach cleanups that we do on the second Saturday of every month, and the sponsoring part of that they call Friends of Dog Beach. So I thought, well, gosh, there's no Facebook group for that. There really should be, because everyone loves Dog Beach, right?
for sure.
All over the world, basically. They come from everywhere.
Absolutely.
So, so we just launched that, and we're trying to get folks to join and just home community really.
Great.
Okay, good.
I love it.
Hey, Cece, come here. You gotta
Okay.
stand in the middle because you know what? We're so patriotic. We had to go red, white, and blue to film the video. So,
We
hey.
did this on purpose, right?
Yeah, exactly. So Lee, thank you so much for letting us come down. And, you know, you guys stay tuned for the next live Main Street moment. So good to see you guys.
See ya.
Here we go.
Thank you.